Hey there, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and recently you spoke with my partner Jeff and requested this free video. So today we're just going to go over a few tips you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as generating more of the organic leads so you don't have to rely on any type of referrals or partnerships or even those expensive lead programs like Angie's and Home Advisor. All right. So here we are on your website. Now, it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads will come from your website. So it is going to be important your website be properly designed and optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right. First thing I notice is your click to call phone number on top. I love that. You want to make it as easy as possible for your customers to reach you. So this is really good. I would even take that a step further and have a form right up here, making it just one other thing that your customers can use to reach you, and it will help with your conversion ratio. Notice you don't have a menu, so you definitely do need to have a menu. I am happy to see that you actually do have separate service area pages. But menus will make it easier for your customers. But these are interlinking, so that's good. And you do need to have separate pages for each of your services because it allows you to build content written around those services and to focus on your local buyer intent keywords. But keep in mind, you are going to need some exact match keywords, and you have to have that repetition. And I am not seeing that on this page. And you're going to need quite a bit of content. You need 250 words or more. Looks like something's missing here. You need 250 words or more of content per keyword you're going to target. And keep in mind, people search differently, and oftentimes you're going to find there's several variations of this similar keyword, and you want to capitalize on that so that you can get the most potential people to your site, local people to your site that actually have the potential to convert into customers. Looking at your home page. So you have a fair amount of content, which is good. Content is key when it comes to ranking. Google doesn't care about appearance. It is all based on content. So your homepage needs to be built around your services and those local buyer intent keywords. The keywords people are actively searching on Google to find your specific services in Daly City. So that's going to be really, really important. You're going to want to restructure your content so you can go after those keywords. Now, all the pages throughout your website have to have original content, and they need to be going after their own keywords. Otherwise, Google will penalize you for that. And if you're servicing multiple service areas, you're going to need service area pages so that you can be found organically in each of the communities you service for each of these services. Okay, so let's take a look at your top organic competitor for water damage restoration in Daly City. And we come up with these guys. Terrible website. Let's see. They do appear to have a separate page for each of their services. Local keyword. Local keyword. So they're using the right amount of repetition for that one keyword. They're missing the boat, though, as I mentioned. There's going to be multiple variations of keywords, and you want to capitalize on that. And it appears that this, I forgot to turn those notifications off. I apologize. Looks like they're only focusing on water damage. So they're missing the boat on that as well. Your homepage is supposed to be a summary of each of these services, focused around the keywords. It's supposed to be the strongest page on your website, and Google wants it to be at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. You will need more than your competitors, so these guys should be super easy to beat all the way around. And then you're going to want to support your website with SEO so that it can be found online. So if we look here, you have a rating of a 0.6 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, meaning Google does not trust your website. And that's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is just any website that provides your website with a link from their site to your site. The purpose is to help you rank your keywords and drive traffic to your website. The backlink is just that physical link coming from that other site to your site. Now, Google will only give you credit for one backlink per referring domain. And while you do need a whole bunch of these backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal, and not every type works with every type of business. So you do have to stick to getting the high quality links directly related to your services and that are do follows. You have 3 that are do follows. So you actually only have 3 relevant links helping your website. You've only been indexed for 2 keywords and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. So it's going to be really, really important to rework your content and work on that keyword strategy and then support it with the backlinks so you can drive that traffic, because your website should be like a virtual ATM machine. So if we look at your competitor, they have a poor rating of a 0.1 out of 100 with 26 backlinks, 11 referring domains. They're doing nothing with their SEO either. They do have 7 that are do follows. So you would need to beat their 7 in quantity and quality. And they've only been indexed for 1 keyword, and they're also getting 0 traffic. So there could be a couple different reasons why they're showing up higher in organics than you. They have more repetition of the actual keyword. It could be the age of their domain. There could be a couple different things, but either way, they're going to be super easy for you to beat by just working on the strategies that I've shown you. And then the last part of this is going to be your Google My Business profile in this Google Maps section. So your goal should be to be in this top 3 for each service area and all of your services, because 30% of people search in the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not one of these top 3 companies, you're going to send all those leads to your competitors and leave money on the table. Does look like you guys might be number 1 here, which would be good. But if you find that you're not in one of the other areas, then you're going to want to further optimize your page. And there are a lot of factors in doing that, but the most important is going to be just adding more citations, and that's the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need more of those than your competitors, but when you follow all these tips I have provided you today, your website does have the opportunity to be number 1 across Google in your service area for all of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.